Introducing our compact mini knife, featuring high-quality Sandvik steel blade, known for its exceptional sharpness and durability. The elegant cowbone handle not only adds a touch of classic style, but also ensures a comfortable grip during use. This mini knife is perfect for everyday carry, whether you're camping, fishing, or tackling small tasks around the house. Its lightweight design makes it easy to take anywhere, making it a reliable companion for any outdoor enthusiast or everyday user.